Welcome to our channel. In this informative video we will show you how to delete your Threads account. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. First you have to click on the profile option and then click on the three dot. Now move to a help, click on the help and then click on the help center. Now click on the three dot at the top right. Now click on the manage your account. Click on delete your account. Now click on the second option, delete your Instagram account. Scroll it down and click on the delete your account link. It will move you to next page. Now click on this button and click on want to remove something and retype your password here, which the password of your account, then click on the delete account. So I don't want to delete my account. When you click on delete option, it will show you a message of confirmation. When you click on it, your account will be deleted within a few days. So I don't want to delete my account. Thanks for watching.